This video shows how engineers can diagnose changed asset behavior in minutes using Visplore. We use data from a combined cycle gas turbine to analyze if a maintenance event has improved the turbine's efficiency. Visplore connects to your live data sources, such as the Aviva Pi system, specify the time interval, resolution, and which sensors to import data for. Visplore immediately shows relevant plots of the data. The goal is to validate and quantify the effect of this maintenance intervention. It only takes 4 clicks. Click 1. Select a steady operation period before the maintenance. Click 2. Select the period after the maintenance. Click 3. Compare these periods. Click 4. Confirm and let an AI suggest plots, showing what has changed. Simply browse the list and validate the suggested insights with your domain knowledge. Steam flow has increased significantly after the maintenance, which might be missed in regular dashboards due to such outliers. Visplore shows changed relationships between variables as well, like a drift in valve position versus case temperature. Filter the list for a key parameter, like generated power. The top-ranking plot shows how generation was indeed higher after the maintenance, for the same level of inlet temperature. Let's quantify the difference during full load and focus on this process state with a lasso. We can use a linear regression line and read a difference of roughly 10 megawatts more. Findings can easily be exported and communicated with other stakeholders. All of that was done within a few minutes. AI-powered analytics present the needle in the haystack, while your experts can tell which of the suggestions are most actionable. A simple workflow that can be applied to many business problems, showing the effects of an intervention, troubleshooting by comparing good and bad operation periods, and process optimization by comparing assets to each other. And you know what? Anyone can learn these 4 clicks in less than half an hour. Visplore. Get in touch today and bring your diagnostics to the next level.